Hello students, how are you? In Java class today, I teach you how to create this type of shape. It is most important, and look, here is empty. So how to create this type of shape, and another is so easy how to create this type of shape. Okay, let's start. Suppose shape. Right here, public static void main, and as a argument string. You can write this. Okay, now first we create and then convert it into this, then this, and then after that this. Okay, step by step we follow, step by step. If I want to think about this type of shape, it is more complex, but we simplify it like this. Okay, step by step we create this type of shape. R, it's represent row suppose, and it's represent suppose column. For K A R is equal to 0, R less than is equal to 4, R plus plus. Okay, and create another loop for C is equal to 0, C less than is equal to 4, and C plus plus. Okay, and just print here system dot out dot print just star. Okay, let's see. Now save this file, same name as class name where the main function is present, that means shape. SHAPE shape dot java, where Jdk8 MG Java B8. After save the file, now we compile it. Okay, now right here java c space save dot java. Okay, now run this file. Okay, parallel star. In this position, after print, go to the next line. So right here system dot out dot print ln. Okay, we know ln means next line, so save, again compile and run this. Okay, now we create like this. Now create this. So not 4 here, I just write here R. Okay, now save it, again compile it and run it. Okay, so we create type of shape. Now I want to create this type of shape. Now we create another column. Suppose this is k is equal to 0, k less than is equal to 4, k plus plus. Okay, just print dot out dot print suppose at the rate of sign. Okay, and if I initialized window, it is object oriented, so we can initial here also int k. It must be capitalized. Save, compile it and run this file. Okay, now I want to print it in different angle, big to small. Okay, now I write here not 0, write here R. That means 0 to 4, 1 to 4, 2 to 4, 3 to 4. Okay, like this. Save, compile and run. Okay, look here. Now try use here just a space. Okay, now the diamond looks like that. Now the diamond looks like that. Now we create starting star and ending star, starting star and ending star. Okay, so using this concept, we not print only the all, we just print if c is equal to 0, or using pipe c is equal to r. Okay, if not, that time we print only the space. Out dot print just space. Okay, now compile it and run. Okay, now I want to fill this line. Okay, so how to do it? Now I just less than 4 and it's less than 4. Look the save 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and the 5 line is not present, and in this line we present all the star. It's so simple. Okay, now after that loop, I just print r is equal to 0, r less than is equal to 4 and r plus plus, and print here print only the star. Okay, let's see. Okay, int k is equal to 1, k less than is equal to 5, k plus plus. Why we write here 5? Because the program display 1 2 3 4 5 times. Okay, 5 lines are present here. Okay, and print system dot out dot println, suppose z. Okay, now what is z? Z is equal to 1. Okay, now system print is z. Now what is the output? 1 1 1 1, like this. Okay, 1 1 1, and another line. What is this? This is z is equal to z into 11. Okay, so simple. Okay. Now compile it. Java C save dot java run this file using Java interpreter 1.1.1.1331.14641. We can also write this. We are not using here the second bracket. Okay, not use here any second bracket. We in the same line, just using comma and use the logic. Okay, compile it and run this. Okay, so it is so easy. Okay, I hope you will enjoy the shape, different types of tool shape. Okay, thank you, bye.